Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to pay with cash on Doordash. Now, Doordash has something that is called cash on delivery. So you can basically, if you're someone that is delivering, you can basically enable cash on delivery. And whenever someone enables cash on delivery, you can order from them and you can order via cash. So basically, this is how it looks like right here. So as you can see, you cannot pay with cash on any orders made within Doordash app. Doordash briefly accepted cash prior to COVID-19 pandemic, but that feature has not since returned. Still, cash payments are available via Doordash Drive, as you can see. This is the company's service for merchants to use on their own site. So if you're ordering directly through a restaurant's website and they might be using DoorDash as their courier, you may see cash on delivery option, just not in the DoorDash app or on the DoorDash website. So, however, if you're a merchant and if you're maybe delivering, if you're a restaurant, then you can use DoorDash Drive and you must enable cash on delivery option in order for your customers to see if this is available as an option. So, obviously, although all DoorDash Drive merchants can enable cash, this feature is mostly used by pizza restaurants. So as you can see, to answer your question, how to pay via cash on DoorDash, you can pay, but in very rare occasions because not many people will actually have the, basically they will not have the option to get paid with cash. So one way that you can do this is you can use gift cards. However, I know most people won't be able to use gift cards for every purchase they make through DoorDash. So if you want, you can purchase your meal on DoorDash with a gift card. This will basically be the same as using a credit card or debit card, but that's pretty much how you can pay with cash on DoorDash. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.